Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about phrasal-verb_lesson. Solve problems. 5 phrasal verbs for English. Learn 5 essential English phrasal verbs like run into and work out to effectively talk about encountering and solving daily challenges. Run into, to unexpectedly encounter a problem, difficulty, or situation. It suggests surprise or an unplanned meeting with an issue. We ran into a small technical problem right before the deadline. Deal with, to manage, handle, or take action regarding a problem, person, or situation. It implies taking responsibility and addressing it directly. The team had to deal with a sudden change in project requirements. Work out, to find a solution to a problem or to successfully resolve a difficult situation. It often implies effort or negotiation to achieve a positive outcome. We worked out a compromise that satisfied everyone. Figure out, to understand or discover the answer to a problem, puzzle, or mystery, often through thinking, analyzing, or experimentation. It took us a while to figure out why the new software was crashing. Push through, to continue doing something despite difficulties, obstacles, or being tired. It emphasizes perseverance and determination. Even with budget cuts, we managed to push through and complete the project. These 5 phrasal verbs help you describe the entire process of facing a problem to finding a solution and persevering. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on school.dxt.ma.